Diversity in living organism, naming and identification. Key concepts. The problem of names. There are millions of plants and animals. Locally, they are called different names. Example, a mango is called aam in Hindi. This creates confusions globally. The solution. Scientists created a standardized system so that one organism has one name recognized everywhere in the world. The rules. Plants are named based on the ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and animals are named based on the ICZN, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Definition. Identification. Correctly describing an organism. So we know exactly which one we are talking about before naming it. Nomenclature. The system of providing a distinct scientific name to a living organism. Binomial nomenclature. A naming system where every name has two parts, the generic name and the specific epithet, introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. The formula of a scientific name. Every scientific name is like a first name and surname, but in reverse. In part 1, genus represent the group the organism belongs to. Always starts with capital letter. And in part 2, specific, epithet represent the specific species. Always starts with a small letter. Real life example, mango. Scientific name, Mangifera indica. Here Mangifera is genus and indica is species. Universal rules of naming. Language. Names are usually in Latin or Latinized. Format. Written in italic when printed. Handwriting. If you are write it by hand, you must underline both words separately, Mangifera and indica. Fun fact. Did you know that scientific names are in Latin because it is a dead language? This means the meanings of the words never change over time, making it perfect for science. Let's have some multiple choice questions. Who gave the system of binomial nomenclature? Answer: Carolus Linnaeus. What does ICBN stand for? International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. In Mangifera indica, indica represents what? Answer: specific. Epithet means species. Scientific names are generally taken from which language? Answer: Latin. What is the correct way to write a specific scientific name when handwritten? Answer: underlined separately. Which organization provides names for animals? Answer: ICZN. The first word in a biological name represent the answer: genus. Why is nomenclature necessary? Answer: to have a uniform name for an organism worldwide. Biological names are printed in which format? Answers: italics. The process of correctly describing an organism is called identification. Short questions and answer. What are two components of biological name? The generic name and the specific epithet. Why are scientific names Latinized? To maintain uniformity and because Latin is a neutral, non-changing language. Write the scientific name of mango correctly. Answer: Mangifera indica. What is the difference between ICBN and ICZN? ICBN is for naming plants and ICZN is for naming animals.
ICZN.
What happens if a scientific name is printed without italics? Answer: it is technically incorrect unless it is handwritten and underlined.